Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a SaaS founder, a content creator, or a business owner in the digital space, you know the struggle. There is always something new to learn and not enough time in the day to learn it, let alone execute on it. And if you've been following along, you already know how powerful Perplexity AI can be for research and productivity. In our last video, we dove into how to use Perplexity like a pro to transform your research. We've covered everything from personalized profiles to effective question prompts. I will share the link if you're interested. But today, we're taking it a step further. We're showing you how you can use the same powerful AI tool in conjunction with ChatGPT to supercharge not just your research, but also your learning and content creation and overall productivity. We're not just talking about theory, we're talking about actionable strategies. You can use it today. So I will cover information overload and 80-20 rule briefly and dive into number 3 and 4. If you're new here, I'm an AI entrepreneur building multiple SaaS as a one-person company. I'm leveraging the power of AI to achieve what once required entire teams. Currently, I'm also pursuing a master's degree in AI at Georgia Tech, diving deep into AI agents and their application to innovate and scale my business and help you to scale yours with my knowledge. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, let's talk about the challenge we face right now. We're in the age of information overload. For most knowledge-based businesses and works, we need to learn quickly, adapt quickly, and implement even faster. This isn't just about schoolwork. It's about staying ahead of the curve in your business. Think about how many trends, technologies, and strategies you need to understand to keep your business relevant and even thriving. You simply can't afford to spend hours in the search of this information, in my opinion, and traditional learning methods are simply cutting it. Endless Google searches, dry textbook or hours, lost fact-checking. You're spending valuable time on inefficient tasks. We need to work smarter, not just harder, and that's where AI comes in. I want to introduce AI-powered learning concept with the 80-20 rule. So remember 80-20 rule, often called Pareto principle, that 20% of the effort that gets you 80% of the results. We are going to apply that to learning process with ChatGPT. Think about crucial concept you need to know immediately to improve your business, not all of it. Then you can forget exhaustive studying at the start. Instead, focus on understanding core concept and idea first, then expanding later on if needed. Okay. So next question you might have is, what prompts we can use for ChatGPT based on this 80-20 rule to make learning process a lot less overwhelming and efficient? I'm going to share right now here. It goes like this. If I want to learn a specific topic or skills, what are the 20% of core concepts, techniques, or resources that will give me 80% of the result or understanding? And I want to focus on these essentials to make the fastest progress. This question forces ChatGPT to identify the most impactful areas to focus on, so you're not wasting time on low priority details. Now, let's put this to the test. I'm going to replace this part with SEO and try to run this one. So here's the answer. Notice how it doesn't just tell you what SEO, it start identifying specific core concepts like keyword research, and you can use Google Keyword Planner or on-page SEO and quality content, etc. So this is going to be our 20%, the things that will give you 80% of result, assuming that you don't know anything about SEO and you have to learn it quickly. But when tackling complex concepts or trying to develop a lifelong skill, mastery will take more than an overnight. So it's not going to be plausible to learn everything laid out here overnight. So that's when the following prompts becomes invaluable for creating a structured learning plan. So I will copy and paste here. Here it goes like, based on the following core concepts, techniques, or resources, create a detailed 4-week learning plan. For each week, specify the main topics to focus on and the learning activities and a suggested time allocation. The plan should be designed for someone who can dedicate approximately 5 hours per week to learning. I think this is more achievable and less overwhelming. So if I run this prompt again, it goes like this: 4-week SEO learning plan first, an objective saying learn the core concepts of SEO in 4 weeks, and foundation, and it goes week 2, and also look at how specific they plan your studying or your learning process. Saying reading and watching will take about 1.5 hours, and you can have 2.5 hours for practice and a 1 hour project, and it goes on and on. Here, even summary. I think if I were you, I will follow this plan because it shows specific timeline and clear activities and even resources, and also show you time allocation. All you need to do is to copy and paste this into your notes or Trello and just assign your time. I literally do this with Google Calendar, and then I learned so many different things recently to boost my business, including SEO, marketing, and sales. So I highly recommend to try this one. Now that we've got our core idea, action plans, and basic materials, let's use Perplexity AI for in-depth fact-checking and find best resource to learn. I will keep using SEO example. And unlike Google, Perplexity gives you aggregated answers for your questions and even citation from real sources, which is my favorite part, allowing you to rapidly verify what you've learned. So if I go back ChatGPT, let's assume that I don't understand search intent yet. Then I will come here and keyword research from Ahrefs Academy for Learning SEO, especially search intent. Then it aggregates the data, and I will just see this part here. And then if I will click this link, I will follow the link and then verify what I'm looking for, and then read through it and understand the concepts here. And I can go back to search, and then I can keep searching what I don't understand yet to wrap my head around SEO realm and keep learning here. And like I tackled in previous video, Perplexity, you can get the best search outcomes if you use how and what prompts. Okay, so to recap, what we've tackled today is, if you want to learn anything fast, start with the ChatGPT, apply 80-20% rule, and if from there, get the actionable plans and the core ideas, and fact check in Perplexity, and get through the links in articles or journals, and then learn quickly, adapt quickly. Then once you learn it, you're just gonna repeat this process. So what I want to tell you is AI is magic. It's a tool, a powerful one, but it's a still tool. The sources we've reviewed today all make that clear. AI helps us learn, create, and produce much faster, but it requires our input, our input and time and effort to learn quickly. And also we have to enhance critical thinking skills by ourselves with the help of AI. For SaaS founders, creators, and business owners, these tools are not optional. They're essential. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to adapt and learn how to leverage them. And I will share what I learned so that you can save time and effort. Thank you for taking the time to explore this topic with me today. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future discussion about AI in business.